Students, welcome. Now I want to discuss about a concept related with the structural equation modeling. I think actually the concept is related with the week 3. Uh, First we have to do the EFA. Then after the completion of EFA, we have to do the CFA. That means confirmatory effect analysis. And after the completion of confirmatory effect analysis, you have to proceed with the structural equation modeling. While thinking about structural equation modeling, there are two important concepts related with the structural equation modeling. One is mediation, second is modulation. Now I want to discuss about the theoretical aspect of modulation. Now I want to discuss about the theoretical aspect of mediation. Tomorrow we will discuss the practical aspect of the mediation, and then we will discuss about moderation. Okay. Now our topic is mediation, mediator. Actually, there are two type of mediation: full mediation, partial mediation, no mediation. No mediation means no effect. Then three type of mediation: first, full mediation; second, partial mediation; then third, no mediation. In EFA, you do not think about mediation and moderation. But in CFA and structural equation modeling, you have to think about two important aspects. One is mediation, second is moderation. Please wait. I must share my screen to you. Wait. Share. Okay. I will repeat again. In EFA, in exploratory effect analysis, you do not think about mediation and moderation. But in CFA, you have to think about mediation and moderation. Likewise, in structural equation modeling also, you have to think about mediation and moderation. Now, this is a model related with we already discussed about the model in previous sessions. We have actually done the EFA, CFA, and structural equation modeling related with this model. Now, please look at the model. Then you can see the mediator. The mediator, I think, five different constructs. You can see five different constructs, five different factors. We have actually identified those five different constructs or factors through the EFA analysis. First factor, policy of Europe. Second factor, policy of USA. Then third, policy of China. Then global wars. Then Indian economy. Here, global wars is the mediator. Whether the mediator is significant, that means what type of mediator? Full mediation, partial mediation, or no mediation? What is the effect of the mediator? That is the question. To find out the effect of the mediator, first you have to do CFA using this model, and you have to do the structural equation modeling using this model. That is the first one. The first job to you. Then second, please eliminate global wars. Then there may be four factors only: policy of Europe, policy of USA, policy of China, and Indian economy. Then there is some change in the relationship: policy of Europe, arrow to Indian economy; policy of USA, arrow to Indian economy; policy of China, arrow to Indian economy. Please draw such a figure and do the CFA, then do the structural equation modeling, and find out first. First, please draw a figure like this and do the CFA and sum, and find out standardized regression weight and p values. Then please eliminate global wars and draw a new picture and do the CFA and such regression modeling and write the standardized regression weight and p-value. Then compare standardized regression weight and p-values of first method with the second method. Then you can find out the effect of mediation. That is the important point, significant point related with the mediation. Tomorrow we will practically do the mediation type questions using AMO software, CFA and structural regression modeling. Okay, thank you.